We're here on site at Novo West Lakes with the civil construction works happening along Lockside Drive and the display homes under construction. Elsewhere on the site in stage 2 we have our civil construction works underway with the services being cut in and the new road infrastructure being created. With our 2-bedroom townhouses almost sold out, our stage 2 release of 3 and 4 bedroom homes is being well received by the market. The childcare centre at the north end of the site is now well under construction and is due for completion in 2026. If you'd like more information about the project, head over to our website or visit the sales centre, which is open on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays between 11 and 3.